Good morning, everyone. Today, Morgan and I are diving deep into the seismic shift brought about by mobile phones in our lives. Let's jump right in.
Mobile phones have revolutionized communication. A staggering 95% of our surveyed respondents reported using instant messaging daily. It's not just about staying in touch. It's about instant, constant connectivity.
Take a look at this screen time breakdown. On average, we spend 3.5 hours a day on our phones. That's a significant chunk of our waking hours, but it's not all wasted.
However, it's essential to acknowledge the downsides. While mobile phones offer incredible connectivity, they also bring about concerns such as increased screen time and potential impacts on mental health. We can't ignore the fact that excessive use can lead to issues like digital eye strain and sleep disturbances.
Now, onto social dynamics. 85% of respondents use social media on their phones daily, turning it into a powerful force in shaping relationships and community dynamics. But it's not all positive. Cyberbullying and the pressure of maintaining a curated online presence are real challenges we need to address.
Mobile phones are powerful learning tools, with 70% of students using educational apps. However, the digital divide is a stark reality. Not everyone has equal access to these resources, creating disparities in educational opportunities.
Lastly, in the professional arena, mobile phones have become indispensable. 80% of professionals use their phones for remote collaboration and task management, making them essential tools for a dynamic work environment. But we can't ignore the potential for work-life imbalance and the blurring of boundaries between personal and professional life.
In essence, while mobile phones have transformed our lives in remarkable ways, it's crucial to navigate the challenges responsibly. They are not just gadgets. They are architects of a profound transformation with both advantages and disadvantages.
We hope you find our exploration, backed by data, insightful. Any questions?